how much we've paid for this car, from our deposits to our monthly payments, and how much we actually make from the car.
Just on a little lads drive with my friend in front in the RSQ8. I know you hear my 4 pipes farting. 76% of you guys that watch my videos ain't subscribed. And I think that's the Brazilian one over there.
That's a total of £5,250 profit per month from this car for 15 days. I don't want to sell you guys dreams where you think I can get a car and Mr. Mayfair Motors 100k told me go get a G Wagon and rent it out. No, this is not what I'm telling you. So imagine you have 10 of these and that's 50k a month.
Trench nigga up 100 M's, they ain't in though. Trench nigga feel it in they soul when they hit it. Trench nigga Montclair Nike ski in the mirror. Trench nigga total.
Welcome back to the 100k channel. As you can see, I've got the 2025 plate G Wagon, and in today's video is basically how much this car makes for us in our fleet, monthly, daily, and weekly. Come follow me. Let me show you some of the specs on this car. All blacked out, matte black. The inside, even better, two-tone with the red seats, with the black outskirts, Alcantara roof lining, carbon fiber steering wheel with the Alcantara on the edges. Very spacious, literally. This car came back, I believe, last night, yeah. So this car came back last night from a client. We need to actually go wash it before we hand it back out, because as you can see, you know what I'm saying? And he had it for 3 days, I believe. Yeah, so he had it for 3 days. And we have the best prices. If you do really want to know the prices and you're trying to pocket watch or whatever, watch the video to the end for me to give that information. With me, also, very spacious boot. If you man are trying to do the yes, you know what time it is in here, innit? So I'm 100 plus kg, 6'1.5". I measured myself recently. You can easily afford a big dog in here. You get me? If you're trying to, yeah? No, I'm joking, but we're all flying straight from here.
I know I'm edging you guys on for the numbers, why for that? But come take a drive with me. As you can see in front of us, the Big Ben build 2 for flipping 2. Just the Ben building, come take a drive. Just on a little lads drive with my friend in front in the RSQ8. I know you hear my 4 pipes farting. But yeah, man, I know you clicked on this video to hear about numbers, to hear about insurance payments, to hear about the finance payments and deposits, and how much we charge for this car in our fleet. I'm sorry that I dragged it on, but hope you enjoyed the video, and shortly you will be seeing the numbers behind the G Wagon. London's an amazing place, man. If you've got the money for it, then yeah. But if you're living in the trenches where I was raised and where I am still at, you know what I'm saying? Don't be difficult, man. But it is really and truly beautiful, man. We're currently at Trafalgar Square with the 2 wide bodies. Wearing this one, red levers, Alcantara, I don't know what this is. A normal car connoisseur. But if you ask me about cylinders and V8s and yeahs, you're just gonna hear hella I don't knows. You know what I'm saying? Boss man doing his thing. Just working for the city. I'm in a shady. Me and my brothers going press that. Yeah, come on, press that, man. We're going to top up the petty, man. I love yellows. Canadian Embassy. I don't know, what flag is that? Netherlands? I believe so. And then I think that's the Brazilian one over there. I know my man once upon a time, yeah? He used to enslave people. He just there on his black horse. You know what that means, innit? Actually, I don't know what that means. You let me know what that means, brothers and sisters. 76% of y'all ain't subscribed. Y'all boys taking a pee, man. I'm out here pushing this content, and y'all boys don't want to subscribe. 76% of you guys that watch my videos ain't subscribed. Stop being a creepers. And you know what I'm saying? Just subscribe, man. It's free. Well, we're here at the low. Car, that's a beautiful car, man. RSQ8. midnight purple, I believe. In the daytime, it's looking like some dark navy blue. Nighttime, looking like the Joker's suit. You know what I'm saying? God, man, I don't want you to write me off, Kia Niro. Pull up to the low. The fun part, this is the part that you guys all been waiting for, the numbers. Big numbers. All right, cool. Well, I've just explained to you that the car came back from a renter for 3 days and we've charged him $650 each day. Bear in mind, this is a 2025 plate Magno edition with the carbon seat, carbon steering, Alcantara roof. So fully spec'd out with a pan as well. So he's taking it for a maximum of 3 days. Obviously, you can take it for however many days you want to take it for. Cool. Now we're going to get into even the more fun part, how much this car costs Mayfair Motors and in our fleet. So we've got this car on finance. This car is 230,000. We put a 10% deposit, which was around 23k. Cool. And our monthly payments is a staggering £4,000. To some of you guys, that might sound crazy, but if we actually do the numbers, it's not so crazy at all. All right, cool. So if you could just show them the calculator. So we've paid 23k and this car cost us 4k a month. We rent this for $650. Let's just say we rent it for 15 days, all right? That's £9,750. Take away the $4,000 for our monthly payment and another $500 to $600 for our insurance. That's a total of £5,250 profit per month from this car for 15 days. And some days we have the car like this and we could use it for our own purposes, whether it's to go date nights with our missus, whether it's to want to help our family out, friends, sometimes our friends getting married or whatever. And we give this car on the house or however we're feeling, depending on our relationship with that specific person. With that being said, this is what you guys were all interested in and wanted to know so much. For the normal person or somebody working on average making 2 to 3k, it might sound crazy, but if you've got 2 like-minded friends or 3 like-minded friends that are all interested in this rental space and this rental game, you guys can all contribute maybe 7,000 each person. That's a total of 21,000 and some change to get the other 3k, maybe about 8k each, and you can go and get this car and rent it out. But bear in mind, I'm just throwing these numbers at you. It might sound easy, it may look easy, but trust me, there are headaches that do come with this game. I don't want to sell you guys dreams where you think I can get a car and Mr. Mayfair Motors 100k told me go get a G Wagon and rent it out. No, this is not what I'm telling you. This is only for people that kind of have disposable income and a high risk to reward ratio, and their hunger and appetite is actually high for risks towards investments, because nobody can tell me tomorrow, give me £100 today and I can give you £1,000 tomorrow, which is absolutely impossible. I don't believe people like that. When somebody comes tells me this kind of thing, I'm just thinking pyramid scheme. What are you trying to make off me? How much you need from me? Like, what's the catch to this? But obviously it sounds smooth, it looks nice when you're watching it on your telly at home and you're seeing these kind of fancy cars, but best believe it ain't easy. Are you interested in renting our G Wagon Magno Edition 2025 plate? Scan the QR code that's popping up for the renters group. Are you also interested in insurance? That will also be linked below me. If you're interested in just learning the game and how to start off from 0 to your first 5 cars to your 10 cars, also linked below me. If you're looking for insurance, self-drive hire, SDH, fleet insurance, any type of other insurances that you need to be able to then safely and confidently rent to other clients of yours, we'll also link that below. If you're also looking for leasing, we're also going to link that below. So as you saw in the previous clip, it was us doing the numbers and everything, how much from insurance to the deposit we paid and our finance payment each month. So with that being said, you have to take into consideration things can go wrong. Once you hand over the key, it's between the renter, God, and the streets, and whatever can happen. So that's why it ain't as easy as people think. Just get a car and get a client and make 5, 10k, 15k from one car. So as you saw, we're making about 5k on average from this one car. So imagine you have 10 of these, then that's 50k a month. Obviously, some people have even more, some people have less, but whatever makes money and whatever is decent for us, alhamdulillah, at the end of the day, we're happy as long as we can help and feed our families. So that was the maths and the profit, the finance, the insurance payment on our G Wagon Magno Edition.
I hope you enjoyed the video. A lot of people always ask me how much does our supercar hires make on average. So we're making average 5k, and that's based on 15 days. If it's rented for the whole month, it's about 10k upwards. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. From me to you, as usual, Mayfair Motors, Mr. 100K, and we out.
Nigga, Montclair, Nike ski in the mirror. Trench nigga told the Poland blow it if they meant.